Quest Pro is about to change the game. Are you a fan of Quest Pro? Well, it is a new game in the gaming world that is suspected of changing the imagination of what a game is like. Are you ready to witness such a thing? If so, watch the video until the end, as today, we are sharing all the information about this amazing game. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss out on more uploads like this. Here we begin. Gaming is one of the most popular pastimes worldwide. From smartphones to consoles, people love gaming apps and games. Gaming apps and consoles are constantly improving and becoming more realistic. It also helped develop new gaming concepts, such as MMOs and AR games. Game developers have a lot of potential when it comes to gaming. Despite everything, with the increasingly realistic and interactive changes seen in the gaming world, developers are starting to experiment with new ways to play games. For example, games such as CryVR use stereoscopic 3D technology to give players a more immersive experience. Games are starting to move beyond 2D platforms and release on dedicated handheld devices. Gamers quickly adopt these new features, which only fuels the gaming industry's growth potential. Innovation in gaming tech is another major factor in the growth of the gaming industry. Companies are constantly updating their products to keep up with modern standards. For example, consoles now have 4K resolution and 120 frames per second or FPS speeds, making them nearly cinematic in quality. Furthermore, developers have also introduced multiplayer games into their libraries via online gaming platforms like Steam. Thanks to these innovations, gaming is quickly becoming one of the most popular forms of entertainment among both casual gamers and tech-savvy early adopters. While all these amazing techs and advanced features, one such feature is using a VR headset to experience 3D gaming. But what if something new changes the entire experience of your game? Well, one such thing is the Quest Pro. So, what is the Quest Pro and how is it changing the game? The Meta Quest Pro is the first device in our new high-end line. It's packed with innovative features such as high-resolution sensors for robust mixed reality experiences, crisp LCD visuals for displays, and a complete new and sleek design, and eye tracking and natural facial expressions to help your avatar reflect you more naturally in VR. You've probably heard about Meta's new Quest Pro VR headset. Well, let me tell you, this is a game changer in the industry. The Quest Pro uses a Snapdragon XR2 Plus processor and has a bevy of sensors for tracking the user's expressions and the environment. This thing is amazing. The Quest Pro is priced at $1,500 and will be released in October. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to get my hands on one. This headset is going to change the way we experience VR forever. Quest Pro is the first of its kind. There has never been anything like it before, and it's about to change the way you think about online marketing. Quest Pro is a powerful new tool that helps you track your website's performance and provides you with all the information you need to make your site more successful. With Quest Pro, you can see how your website performs in real time and get detailed insights into where your visitors are from, what they're looking at, and how they interact with your site. The device is designed to give you a huge access to a library of resources that can help you improve your website's design, usability, and search engine optimization. With Quest Pro, you have everything you need to take your website to the next level. How is Quest Pro changing the game? You probably already know that Quest Pro is the most advanced tool on the market for online reputation management, but you might not know that Quest Pro is about to change the game. The developers are working on some new features that's going to make it even easier to manage your online reputation. So, stay tuned because the Quest Pro is about to take your online reputation to a whole new level. Is the Quest Pro used for gaming? The Meta Quest Pro is a cutting-edge headset that is 4 times the price of the Meta Quest 2. The Quest Pro has 37% more pixels per inch compared to the older Quest 2. the Quest Pro supports both VR and mixed reality content. How is Quest Pro different from anything else on the market? Quest Pro is going to change the way you think about golf. It's unlike anything else on the market because it offers unprecedented precision and control. Never before has there been a product that gives you this level of accuracy and feedback. You'll be able to take your game to new heights because Quest Pro allows you to perfectly swing your ratio like never before. There's no need to guess what you're doing wrong. Quest Pro tells you exactly what you need to change and to improve your shot. So stop wasting time and start using the best tool on the market. Besides this, you may also be wondering what the Quest Pro is all about. Simply put, it's the perfect tool for sales teams who want to crush their goals. Quest Pro is a cloud-based software that makes it easy to manage your leagues and track your progress. In addition, it's got all the features you need to stay organized and on top of your game, like lead tracking, pipeline reports, and email templates. Plus, it integrates you with all your favorite apps, so you can keep using the tools you're already familiar with, and if you ever have a question, the support team is always happy to help. Also, you've probably heard that the Quest Pro is the ultimate game changer, and you're wondering if it's true. Well, wonder no more. Quest Pro is the most advanced CRM software on the market today. It is designed to make your life easier by helping you manage your customers more effectively. With Quest Pro, you can track customer interactions, send automated emails and SMS messages, and more. Plus, Quest Pro is cloud-based, so you can access it from anywhere in the world, and it's always up to date, so you never have to worry about outdated software. So what are you waiting for? Try Quest Pro today and see for yourself how it can help take your business to the next level. So in the end, and you heard it here first, Quest Pro is about to change the game. This innovative new product is the perfect way to get the most out of your workouts, and it's going to take the fitness world by storm. Quest Pro is the product for you if you're looking for an edge in your workout. Quest Pro will help you break through your plateaus and take your workouts to the next level with its powerful blend of ingredients. Don't miss out on this incredible new product. Pre-order your Quest Pro today. With that, this is all for today's video. This VR headset seems really incredible in terms of features and functionality. What do you think about this product? Would you like to use this VR headset to experience a new change in the gaming world? Let us know in the comments below and make sure to subscribe for more uploads.